Hi, my name is Kelsey Rumburg, and I am the author of Trash to Treasure, which is a book about founders that use trash to actually make their products and the companies that they've built as a result. Until we learn to change and figure out different large-scale ways to actually become better and have a better economy, we cannot afford to continue on in the way that we are and the journey that we're taking. We just don't have the resources. So we are gonna have to figure out ways to be more effective. And one of the best ways to do that is by using our own trash. And the reason why I really felt inspired to write this book is because I think we have this massively underutilized resource that is actually our own trash. And it costs us a lot of money to remove it and to landfill it. And that just doesn't make sense for us. There's a lot of better ways we could be using that trash as great resources. Entrepreneurs are great at seeing underutilized resources and finding innovative ways to repurpose them. I've had some great interviews and done a lot of great research on several companies that are embracing this trashy mindset and really using it to build companies and to build better brands. There's also a lot of companies in our very own backyards that are doing things like this. Companies like Rust Belt Riders in Cleveland that are composting. Companies like Aquafil that's actually taking fishing nets out of the ocean, which is a massive issue in terms of ocean plastic and pollution, taking them out of the ocean, recreating yarn from them that's then used in our very own carpeting. When we start recognizing that trash is no longer trash, it's not waste, and it cannot be denied or ignored or just sent away, we have to figure out ways to better use it, and we have to figure out ways to prevent it. We have a responsibility as consumers and as business leaders and as community leaders to make sure that we really are using all of our resources, including our trash, most effectively. My hope here is that you will really start to appreciate trash as the treasure that it really is in our world, and that you may see some ways within your life that you can implement different creative practices to reuse your trash or repurpose it. You might even be inspired to start your own trashy business or to use whatever role it is you have in our world to be more mindful and create different ways to reuse trash within our society. You will like this book if you are trying to find different ways to use trash in your world. You will also like this book if you are just interested in living a happier, more fulfilling life, because these things are very much interconnected. As I show in my book, there's a real big relationship between how we see trash and how we see the world around us. By embracing a trashy mindset, both in terms of the products you buy and the companies you support, you can also really create a much more fulfilling and incredibly meaningful life. My name is Kelsey Rumburg, and I am the author of Trash to Treasure.